Stop recording button.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to make a upload tonight. So today I received 3 new subscribers. I have 52 subscribers at this point, and I'm stoked about it. So for the new subscribers that just joined my channel today, please leave a comment so I can interact with you guys. This is awesome. I'm really glad that you guys subscribe to my channel. The main thing I want to talk about is I got a new flip phone yesterday, and I'm liking it really well. Also, I made a Twitter account. The username is myflip4, as in the number 4. I will go find the link to it and put it in the description. I just want to make a short video. I will upload a lot sooner now. That way I got more people, that way I get more likes, hopefully get more subscribers, and more comments. Alright, have a good night. I will post on YouTube most likely tomorrow. Bye.
Back button. Stop recording button. Stop recording. Camera chooser. Back facing. Stop recording button. Stop recording.
Hurry up and end the video, damn it.
Back button.